Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to memorize the formulas for derivatives and also try to understand its significance. So let us start. Whenever we start with the chapter derivative, the first thing that we face is the memorization of formulas. We always know that formulas play a very important role, but we often try to neglect it. So let us see the standard formulas and how to memorize it. So we are going to make a list of standard formulas that we will require to solve basic problems of derivatives. Understand, if you don't know these formulas, you might be handicapped for this chapter. But the advantage is that once you memorize these formulas, the next chapter, that is application of derivatives and integration, also becomes easier. So let us start with the formulas one by one. Before that, I would recommend you to take a pen and paper and try to note down these formulas. So let us start with the first formula. It says derivative of constant is equal to 0. That is d by dx of k. Whenever we have a constant, say like a number, its derivative will be 0. From the second formula, we are starting with trigonometric functions. So derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x will be minus sin x. Similarly, derivative of tan x will give you sec square x, and derivative of cot x will give you minus cosec square x. The last two trigonometric ratios will be sec x and cosec x. So derivative of sec x will give you sec x into tan x, while the derivative of cosec x will be minus cosec x into cot x. First, the derivative of e raised to x, that will give you e raised to x only. While if you have derivative of a raised to x, it will give you a raised to x log a. Similarly, if we have derivative of x raised to n, which is an algebraic function, its derivative will be n x raised to n minus 1. And the last one will be derivative of log x, that will be equal to 1 by x. Now the next set of formulas we have is the inverse trigonometric function. The main thing that you should observe in this is, out of 6 trigonometric functions, if you try to memorize only 3 of it, that is sin inverse x, cos inverse x and tan inverse x, the remaining 3 will be obtained by directly changing its sign. So let us see one by one. Derivative of sin inverse x, it is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. But if you see its partner, derivative of cos inverse x, it will be minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. The next set is derivative of tan inverse x. It is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now just change the sign. It is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, whose derivative will be cot inverse x. So d by dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now the last two members will be sec inverse x and cosec inverse x. Out of that, if you see derivative of sec inverse x, it is 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. And if you change the sign, it will become derivative of cosec inverse x, that is minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. So remember friends, whenever you will sit for the chapter derivatives or to prepare the chapter derivative, you should note down this formula, keep a hard copy, that will try to help you memorize the formulas easily. I hope friends you have understood how to memorize these problems, but remember, whenever you will practice these formulas, you will definitely by heart it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.